Hey everybody, welcome to Chemistry 115. This is an introductory class. Hopefully, if you haven't had any chemistry, you'll be fine, I promise. I'll go through the materials. I know we're on this weird online thing, but I'll do my best to meet with you face to face to make sure that we can do the materials the way we need to do them. But the thing I need to know is I need to know who you are. My name is Renee Allen. This is my fourth year being a full-time instructor at the college. Some of you guys might remember me. I used to teach at the high school in Belcourt for 31 years. Long time, huh? I know I'm not that old. I started teaching there when I was 12, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, and I wish I had a better background for you. I'd like to have a big old periodic table behind me, but I just don't have one of those at home. So I'm not a total nerd. Anyway, so what I want to do is, again, my name's Renee Allen. I'm going to be your instructor for this class. I've been teaching here. This will be my fourth year full time. I did teach other things here before. I have what they call an MAT Science. It's a Master's of Arts Teaching Science. So it's always been my passion, teaching science. And in this introductory class, we will go through kind of the generals of chemistry. The thing to remember about chemistry, chemistry is the study of matter, and matter is everything. Everything you can touch, see, or feel. So everything that matters, we're going to study in chemistry. But I need to know who you guys are. Some of you I might already know. I might have had you before in a class or just know you in general, know your family. So what I want you to do is, in order to get to know you a little bit, in the discussions, I want you to either write a little bit about yourself, or if you want to, you can do like me and make a video. Okay. I want to know if you have are you a freshman, sophomore, whatever, why you're taking the class, what you hope to get, or, some things along those lines. And then you can tell me a little bit about yourself. If you're coming back to school, you're scared to death about taking chemistry, that kind of stuff. As far as things about me, besides teaching here, I am an old lady. I have grandkids. I have 3 daughters, and then my grandkids. I have 3 grandkids. I have 2 crazy dogs that I'll probably talk about a lot because with the COVID, we've spending way too much time together. Their names are Ruger and Diana. They are 2 Dobermans, and no, they're not scary at all, but to me, they're a beautiful animal, so I love my Dobermans. My passions are my family and fishing. I love to fish, and I love sports too. So I have passions, but lately, as I get older, I've decided to slow down on the sport things and just spend my butt in a boat fishing or spend my butt on the ice fishing. So I guess that's one way you can get brownie points is talk about fishing. Um, any other questions you have of me, we're going to go through and eventually I'll show you how to use the stuff that we have on Canvas. I'm assuming most of you know, but if you have questions, please, in the syllabus, you'll find my phone number. Don't call the college one because let's face it, nobody's going to be out there. But call my cell phone and we'll talk, or send me an email. I'll do whatever I can to help you get through this. You guys got to help me get through this too, because this is not my favorite way to teach. My favorite way to teach is to see your lovely faces and talk to you face to face. Since we can't do that, we'll make best to do what we have. But again, please, this will be my introductory, and then I want you guys to tell me a little bit about you. You can be as long as short as you want, but I'd like more than just your name and that you live in Belcourt or Dunseith or something. Just a little bit more anyway. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm hoping we can get through this together. I'll do my best. As long as you do your best, we'll be fine. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy taking Introductory to Chemistry 115.